from the ashes of the riots. As your city council representative, I am proud today to inaugurate the reopening of this beautiful new community market.
So I hear you folks like to take shots at firemen.
Who are you?
I'm Fire Marshal Bill Burns, and frankly, I'm a little pissed.
Sir, please, the riots are over.
The riots may be over, ma'am, but the hazards remain. Attention, shoppers! Today's special is civil unrest. Let me tell you something! Let's say the justice system just lets you down big time, and you decide the market here owes you a couple of cases of your favorite malt liquor. You're pushing your cart down the aisle. It has a wobbly wheel. Somebody says, hey, look, there's Chief Daryl Gates going down Crenshaw on a unicycle. Where?
Yo, man, doesn't that hurt?
Son, you don't know what pain is until you've capped a Saudi oil fire with your tongue. Uh-oh. I see a baby that needs to be spanked. What the heck do you think you're doing, Leatherface?
I'm just grinding some meat.
Well, you better pop a no-dose. Those meat grinders can be a narcoleptic's nightmare. Let me show you something! What if you were up all night carrying a 3-piece leather sectional on your back down Vermont Avenue? You're grinding the meat. You're completely exhausted. A couple of cops are out front beating the hell out of Rodney Allen Riffy. You get confused. And you mistake your left hand for a pound of ground round. Like so! Next thing you know, you look like a bread thief in Baghdad. Wrap that up for me, will ya? Here we go, gathering guts and made. Hey! Mr. Goodrich, can I borrow those pliers for a second?
Yeah.
Oh!
What the hell was the lesson in that?
Hey! Can't I do anything for fun? Put that under your pillow, son.
Nah, bro, you can keep those.
Stop this at once. Everything is safe here. I am in charge of this situation.
I beg to differ, Puppet Master. You have no idea how close you are to total destruction! Now, just for the sake of argument, let's pretend you're Caucasian. But you forget, and you accidentally say the N-word. Suddenly you feel a sharp pain in your jaw, and you realize you've been cold-cocked by Meadowlark Lemon. That could be quite a numbing experience, even for me, the foreman of the Simi Valley jury. By the way, is anyone else here going to the policeman's ball? I'm sensing a little bit of racial tension. Well, two can play at that game. Yeah! First check on human life.
I'm gonna break off the rest of that nub. Hey.
Just the big stuff, folks. I think they said something about your mother.
You menace! You have started another riot!
To you, it's a riot, ma'am. But to some folks, it's an insurance opportunity. Let me show you something!
I know you are not going to throw that!
Don't worry, ma'am. I am a fire marshal.
Why are we doing this?
Now where are we gonna shop?
Can't we all just get along? Can't we get along? Attention, shoppers. All merchandise must go.